So it won't. No. Okay. Because the air is not the sound. You cannot touch the sound. You cannot feel the sound because the sound doesn't